How to fix Tinder white screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tinder white screen on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Tinder and click on it, and now click for stop here and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, storage, and click allow, and then all of those. And now go to data usage, check mobile data and background data, maybe you'll find it like that, and allow it. And now that's it. Just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video. Don't forget like